Hi, I'm Bianca Mina. I'm owner of Petite Bakery. It's very liberating. It's a new type of experience since this is my first time to do this event and very great experience for me. We started before pandemic. I started it before pandemic, and then this is something that I continued na hanggang after pandemic. I'm still doing it because I'm very passionate about my product and also I believe in it talaga. My tip is to take a video lang. So whatever you're doing, just take a video, upload it consistently. Dapat hindi tayo nawawala sa screen kasi makikita yan ng tao. Hindi lang isang video yung makikita nila. Makikita din ng ibang tao sa ibang lugar sa mundo. So, hindi lang dapat isang video yung upload nyo. Dapat marami kasi maraming tao, maraming interest sila. So, baka yung isang video, hindi sila yung makuha nyo. Baka sa susunod yung video. So, always try. So, one tip is to start with one product. Dapat maging expert kayo sa isang product na yon. And yun muna ang i-develop natin. Pero kapag na confident na tayo dun sa product na yun, we can add.